The government is planning to modernize public transportation by producing all-Filipino electric tricycles and jeepneys. This was stated by the President during his visit to the MD1 Enterprises Incorporated in Caloocan City. Marcos wants to find out what the government can do to further increase the company's production.
Ngayon, kaya tayo nandito, tinitignan natin kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin para kaya na nila na makapag-fabricate ng all-Filipino na electric na tricycle at saka electric na jeepney kung sakali dumating sa ganun. Kaya tinitignan namin ang mga facilities, ano yung nandito na, ano na yung mga kulang, ano pa yung mga kulang na susuportahan ng ating DOST, ng National